Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show to you the way how you can add the Polaroid frame stickers on your Instagram story. First thing you have to do is just make sure you are already upgraded your Instagram to the newest versions by opening the App Store and just type in into the search button in Instagram, and then you just need to tap it. Now make sure that here you already updated. If you already update the Instagram, now you just need to open your Instagram application and sign in with your account. Now tap into the plus button, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to add here to be the picture background. The next, if you want to get the Polaroid stickers, just tap into this icon, and then you just need to tap into the frames. The next, you just need to pick the picture that you want to add into the frame, and then you just need to tap the caption if you want. The next, you just need to tap down, and then you just need to resizing this, and then you can like also place them into the specific area you want to get. The next, after you're done, just tap into add your story, and this is what will you got later on. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.